Hi everyone. Today my topic is squares and square roots. Let's start this topic with a definition. Square. Any number whose power is 2 is called the square of that number. That means any number whose power is 2 is known as a square of that number. Or we can define it in this way also. Square of a number is the product of the number by itself. Taking example, let's consider a number 3. If number 3 is multiplied by a number 3, so by itself, if it is product of the number by itself means multiply by same number. If 3 is multiplied by 3, then we can say it's a 3 square, which is equal to 9. Now let's take a square from 1 to 10. 1 square is equals to 1 into 1 is equals to 1. 2 square is equals to 2 into 2 is equals to 4, like that. The square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 5 is 25. Square of 6 is equals to 36. Square of 7 is 49. Square of 8 is 64. Square of 9 is 81. Square of 10 is 100. This 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on are known as a perfect square. So let's define a perfect square. A natural number which is the square of same natural number is called a perfect square. But keep in your mind is that all the natural numbers are not a perfect square. For example, 3, 5, 7, 10, 11 and so on, etc. are not a perfect square. Now question will arise, how do we know whether a given natural number is a perfect square? So to identify whether the given number is a perfect square or not, we have two different processes. The first one is a method of factorization and another one is a division. So here we'll discuss about a factorization. Let's take an example, 3 to 4. Now we need to identify whether it's a perfect square or not by the method of factorization. So 3 to 4 is an even number, so it will divide it by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is 1 will come here, 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Now 162 is also an even number, so it will divide it by 2. So 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. 81, it's 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 is divided by 3. So 81 is divided by 3. So it's divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. It becomes 21. 3 7s are 21. So 27 is also divided by 3. So 3 9s are 27. 9 with the 3. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 1s are 3. Now 324 can be written as 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now let's make a pair. This 2 2 will make a pair, this 2 3 will make a pair, and this 2 3 will make a pair. Now we can write 324 as 2 into 3 into 3 whole square. That means 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 324 is equals to 18 square. That means the square of 18 is 324. Since 3 to 4 can be expressed as the product of the pair of equal prime factors, that means 18 into 18, we can express 324 as 18 into 18. So we can say that 324 is a perfect square. Let's take another number, 1152, and factorize it. So since it's an even number, so it's divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 will go there, 2 7s are 14, 15 minus 14 is 1 will come here, 2 6 are 12. Since it's also an even number, so it's divided by 2, we'll get 288. This one is also even number, so it will divided by 2, we will get 144. So this is also even number, it's divided by 2, we'll get 772. 72 is also even number, so it's divided by 2, we'll get 36. 36 can be divided by 2, we'll get 18. 18 can be divided by 2, we'll get 9. 9 can be divided by 3, so 3 3s are 9. So now 3 1s are 3. So now I will write 1152 in this way: 2 into 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 3 into 3. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2's were there, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 3 into 3. Now let's make a pair. We got the pair, but now I can see that this 2 is unpaired. Since 1 2 is left unpaired, so 1152 cannot be expressed as the product of pairs of equal prime factors. Hence 1152 is not a perfect square. So it's not a perfect square. Then how can I make this 1152 as a perfect square? Either by multiplying it by 2 or dividing it by 2. So based on this concept, I have next question. Find the smallest natural number by which 1323 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square. So 1323 is not divided by 2 because it's not even number. Let's check whether it's divided by 3 or not by a test of divisibility of 3. We'll add all this digit. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 can be divided by 3. So 1323 can be divided by 3. So 3 4s are 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. 1 will come here. It makes 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. Again 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 can be divided by 3. So this whole number can be divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. It becomes a 14. 3 4s are 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. It's become a 21. 3 7s are 21. So now 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 7 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So again this number can be divided by 3. So 3 4s are 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. It becomes a 27. 3 9s are 27. 49 can be divided by 7. 7 7s are 49. Again 7. 7 1s are 7. Now 1323 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Let's make a pair. We'll find that this 3 is unpaired. Since 1 3 is left unpaired, so to make 1323 a perfect square, 3 should be paired. So 3 should be paired. So the given number should be multiplied by 3. Hence the smallest natural number by which 1323 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square is 3. So that means if we multiply 1323 by a 3, it becomes a perfect square. These questions may come like this also. Find the smallest natural number by which 1323 should be divided to make it a perfect square. So everything will be same, only instead of multiplication you need to write divided by